Hello friends. I am sure, all of us have a container of baking soda in kitchen. In today's short episode we will show you the formula to prepare the most powerful and 100% organic pesticide by mixing baking soda and other stuff to treat almost every pest in your garden. Coming up. Welcome to The Guardian's Choice. Well, let's go 100% organic and prepare our most powerful pesticide and fungicide solution to treat almost all types of pests in your garden like the aphids, mealybugs, thrips, mites, whiteflies, worms, caterpillars, soil fungus, plant fungus like powdery mildew, black spot rose disease, leaf rust, leaf miners, and whatnot. You can try this on almost any pest on your affected plant. Please stop using chemical pesticides and even chemical fertilizers and go 100% organic. Now let's prepare our most potent pesticide solution. We just use 2 or 3 powerful ingredients in this pesticide recipe. The first one is of course baking soda. Mind you, it's baking soda and not baking powder. You should know the difference between baking soda and baking powder. Baking soda is pure sodium bicarbonate. It should not be confused with either baking powder or even washing soda. Washing soda is sodium carbonate and baking powder contains only 30% baking soda along with other ingredients. Some think baking soda is a chemical. No, it comes from earth and 100% organic. In fact, baking soda is registered by the Environmental Protection Agency as a bio-pesticide in United States. So it's 100% organic and natural. Now, let's see how to prepare this pesticide formula. The second component you need is neem oil. Do not worry if you do not have neem oil, you can use any vegetable oil like sunflower oil and stuff like that. But this recipe is most potent if used with neem oil. You can also use other oils like clove oil or even eucalyptus oil, but be careful not to make it too strong to kill our beneficial insects and pollinators like our honeybees and butterflies. Now let's jump into the making. Step 1. Take 1 liter of water in a container making process or in a spray bottle or a spray can. This formula is for 1 liter. If you need larger volumes you can alter the formula as per your need. Step 2. Add 2 teaspoons of baking soda to water. If you feel the pest and fungus attack is too extensive, you can add 3 teaspoons. Step 3. Add 1 teaspoon of neem oil to this. If you do not have neem oil, you can add vegetable oil or any other oil as already discussed. But neem oil is the best. Step 4. To mix oil and water thoroughly, you can add some 10 drops of eco-friendly liquid soap into this. There are many organic liquid dishwash or hand wash soaps available in the market. Step 5. This is very important. Make sure you mix and stir it thoroughly and then load into your spray bottle and again give it a good shake before spraying. Before you spray on your entire plant, please perform a patch test on a leaf and leave it for an hour or 2 to see the potency. If the leaf wilts, you will need to dilute it further. So, there you have it folks. Please hit the like button if you found it helpful. Do comment below with your queries and feedback and consider subscribing if you are new to this channel. Happy gardening!